I recently had the honor of facilitating my Aromatherapy Self-Care Workshops for the amazing middle school students, parents, and staff at the International School of Liberal Arts in the Bronx. One of my greatest joys was embracing the challenge of presenting some of my workshops in Spanish, making this experience even more meaningful and accessible for the school community. Together we discovered how our sense of smell communicates directly with the brain to influence stress, emotions, focus, and overall well-being. Each participant created a personalized aromatherapy blend while learning practical, science-backed strategies they can use every day. When we equip teens with emotional regulation skills, support parents in caring for themselves, and give educators tools to manage stress, we strengthen the entire school community. A heartfelt thank you to Principal Adon and her incredible team for your trust, your hospitality, and your unwavering commitment to the well-being of your students, families, and staff. I look forward to our next sessions. See you soon!